How to enable Spotify lossless audio. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Spotify, and after that open up the settings of your Spotify, and in settings simply scroll down, and over here you would get this option of audio quality. Under this you would find streaming quality. Simply select this option and here you would get lossless. Since I don't have Spotify premium, that's why I don't see lossless option. And make sure that you have also turned on the lossless under the download section, and I have already told I don't have Spotify premium, that's why the option is not there. But for you, if you have Spotify premium, the option will be there for lossless. And if it is not there even after getting the Spotify premium, simply remove the cache memory of Spotify app, and after that you should be able to see the lossless option. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.